Guys, welcome back to Tasty Tailgating presented by Pepsi. Today, we're making corn dogs. Let's get cooking. All right, guys, corn dogs. Super easy to make. Really, all you're gonna need is your hot dogs. Today, I have some mini hot dogs here. I love mini corn dogs. And then I also went with a chicken jalapeno sausage with cheese in it because I figured why not mix it up. Okay, and then for the batter, all we're gonna have is we have equal parts cornmeal and flour. This is about 3/4 of a cup. And then equal parts to that buttermilk. So if you want to scale this up and make a lot more, it's just say then you do 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 cups of cornmeal, 2 cups of flour. It's all equal. So actually I'll give that a mix. And to that, we're adding baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon, and some sugar, about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half. You want a little bit of sweetness with a good corn dog. And if you want, you could even season this more. You could put in paprika, you can put in cayenne pepper, you could add some spice to it, garlic powder, onion powder, all that would be great. I'm keeping it just your standard corn dog here. All right, once the dry ingredients are all mixed, we'll go in with that buttermilk. 2 eggs are going in. All right, we'll give this a mix. The batter should be fairly thick. Just keep on whisking until all the clumps are out. Yeah, that's what you want. You want a nice, thicker breading on this. It's gonna yield the best result. Can't forget a little bit of salt. And then if we're doing traditional hot dogs or these chicken dogs, we're just gonna skewer those. The mini corn dogs, we don't need to skewer. The best way to batter these is actually get a cup, get a glass cup, get a plastic cup, pour all your batter into that. All right, and then to get the best results, you're gonna wanna just dust everything in some flour. So we're gonna put this on the plate. Then here, just roll. Tap all the excess off, you don't need much. This is gonna just help that batter stick to our corn dogs. Perfect like that. And then the minis, just give those all a toss too. All right, and the reason we put the batter in a cup is because the easiest way, instead of trying to coat it all in the bowl, it's gonna make a mess. Just take it, dunk straight down, and there you go. Perfectly battered corn dog. I have some frying oil at 375. If you don't have a fryer, no worries. Just do this in a shallow pan on your stovetop. Get it to about 350, 375. And then you're gonna slowly kind of let it start to fry. Hold it by the skewer, let that bottom start to get coated. Once the color looks just like this, like a corn dog, golden brown, they are ready to come off. All right, guys, and there you go. We have homemade corn dogs, and I believe Eddie's in the house. He's gonna come give these a try. You a corn dog guy, Eddie?
Who's not, besides our boss who just found out they exist.
Crazy.
You just eat it straight? Oh, it's a hot dog. You're supposed to put mustard on it. I had no idea that was a hot dog.
But here we have some homemade dogs. You like anything on it? Ketchup, mustard, you going plain?
I'll just raw dog them. Sometimes the honey mustard's good. Not a big yellow mustard guy.
Okay.
I'll tell you, the mini corn dog is revolutionary too.
All right, time to dig in. But guys, remember, every crave-worthy bite tastes better with Pepsi. I'm going with a Pepsi Zero Sugar here. And you got one there yourself if you don't want, if you want to try one.
Oh, I love it. I love the new Pepsi Zero Sugar. They stepped it up.
All right, cheers, Eddie.
Cheers. Do you cheers food?
I don't know. You just cheers.
I'm not a big cheers food guy, but
Well,
you said cheers.
Well, whatever. You just eat the dog.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
It's like a flawless food.
It's a corn dog, yeah.
Who's gonna get mad at a corn dog?
I don't think you can. And I like mixing up. This is like a jalapeno cheddar chicken sausage, so you have some cheese in there that bursts a little bit of little jalapeno. Nice spice. Not bad at all. Eddie, thanks for being here, guys. Thank you for this episode of Tasty Tailgating presented by Pepsi. We'll see you next time. Peace.